Black panther, the ghost of the jungle. In the dense tropical forests of Kabini, India, where darkness holds secrets, a mysterious creature roams the night. The black panther, the ghost of the jungle, with its jet black fur that shimmers in the rare light, is a master predator. But to dominate Kabini, it must overcome many challenges, from wary leaf monkeys, ferocious wild dogs, to larger predators such as tigers and elephants. The black panther, a melanistic variant of the leopard, Panthera pardus, is distinguished by its jet black fur due to increased melanin pigmentation. In bright light, the leopard's distinctive spots are still visible against the black fur. They have a slender but muscular body, a body length of 90 to 190 centimeters, a tail length of 60 to 110 centimeters, and a weight ranging from 30 to 90 kilograms, depending on gender and habitat. Their excellent climbing ability not only helps them avoid predators such as wild dogs or tigers, but also helps them pull their prey up high, avoiding the depredations of other predators. Black leopards are mainly nocturnal, but they are willing to hunt during the day when necessary. The sunlight filters through the dense canopy, creating sparkling streaks of light on the ground, covered with dry leaves. During the day in Kabini, nature is a vivid picture. The chirping of birds mixed with the shrill cries of langurs on high branches signal the daily bustle of the forest. In the distance, a small river flows, a gathering place for animals to drink water. But mixed in with the silence was a lurking figure, the black panther, the forest's mysterious predator. Hiding in the shade of a large tree, its jet black fur stood out in the daylight. The black panther knew well that the daylight was no ally, as its distinctive color could not blend into the background like other leopards. But its hunting instinct and patience always made it ready to face the challenge. Its bright yellow eyes focused on the herd of deer. It took no time, moving slowly, its toned muscles tensing as each foot touched the ground. It chose its target, a young deer standing slightly away from the herd. In the natural world, weakness is always an opportunity to hunt. When it was only about 15 meters away from its prey, the black panther stopped, its whole body tensed like a spring ready to spring. Under the cool shade of the tree, the black panther enjoyed its meal. Not only did it survive the harsh challenges of the day, it also proved that, even in the bright light, a ghost of Kabini can dominate its world. In the Kabini forest, where every creature must fight for survival, the continuation of the species is an indispensable part of the black leopard's life cycle. For a male leopard like the black leopard, mating rites are not only a continuation of the bloodline, but also a symbol of dominance. The female leopard's mating season usually lasts for 6 to 7 days, signaled by a distinctive scent to attract males in the area. With a keen sense of smell, the black leopard can easily recognize this time from a distance. However, approaching a female like Cleo, the strong female leopard of Kabini, is never simple. At first, the female leopard is wary, but gradually, through non-threatening signs and patience, Cleo accepts the black leopard. The mating ceremony lasts for several days, with each moment marked by a strong bond between the two individuals. The black leopard, now the dominant one, defends its territory from any other intruders. After mating, Cleo becomes pregnant. The female's gestation period lasts 90 to 105 days. During this time, the male black leopard watches from a distance, protecting the area from threats, especially other males who want to take over the territory and steal mating rights. When the time comes, Cleo chooses a secluded area in the forest, a small rocky cave covered by dense vegetation. She gives birth to 2 to 4 cubs, each weighing only 400 to 600 grams, completely blind and dependent on their mother. During the first few months, Cleo is entirely responsible for feeding and protecting them, but the male black leopard does not stray far. He still hunts and patrols the territory, ensuring that both Cleo and her cubs are not violated. The cubs gradually learn how to climb, stalk, and hunt from their mothers, while their fathers serve as fierce protectors of the family. For the male black leopard, mating and helping ensure the safety of the next generation is not only part of his instincts, but also a way for him to cement his dominance in the Kabini forest. The cubs will grow up to carry the unique genetics of the black leopard and continue the story of the mysterious ghosts of the forest. In the darkness of the murky rivers of the Amazon, there is a creature that rules the waters like an invisible assassin. The black caiman, a predator with powerful jaws, piercing eyes, and a terrifying patience. More than just a skilled hunter, the black caiman is also a symbol of dominance in the Amazonian wild. But beneath that cold exterior lies a life full of challenges, where every step is calculated to maintain the dominant position. With a body perfectly designed for hunting and defense, the black caiman is the embodiment of strength and perfect adaptation in the natural world. The black caiman is the largest crocodile in South America, reaching up to 6 meters in length and weighing more than 450 kilograms. Its characteristic shiny black skin helps it camouflage effectively in water and darkness. Powerful jaws with a bite force of up to 3,000 psi, enough to crush turtle shells and bones of large prey. The black caiman's eyes are set high on its head, allowing it to observe its prey while barely exposing its body. Its thick, armor-like skin makes it immune to bites from its own kind or other predators. With its powerful, muscular tail, the black caiman can lunge at its prey at terrifying speeds, making it one of the most dangerous predators in the water. From its jaws, to its skin, to its swimming prowess, every feature of the black caiman is a perfect tool to maintain its position as a dominant predator. Black caimans do not need to rush when hunting. They are masters of patience, waiting in silence, and when the opportunity comes, they strike with deadly precision. Black caimans usually lie still under the water, with only their eyes and nostrils exposed. They blend in perfectly with their environment, making themselves part of the river. When they spot prey, they approach slowly, using the current to conceal their presence. When they are close enough, the black caiman uses its powerful tail to propel itself, plunging straight at its prey at terrifying speeds. With its sharp jaws, it bites down and pulls its prey into the water, performing a death spin to completely immobilize its prey. In the wild, no one is invulnerable. Even skilled hunters like the black caiman face threats, especially from larger and smarter predators. On a peaceful afternoon on the Amazon River, the black caiman lies quietly on the sand near the water's edge, enjoying the warm sunshine. With its eyes half closed and its body motionless, it seemed unaware that it had fallen into the sights of a dangerous enemy. An adult jaguar moving silently from the dense forest behind. The leopard, with its bright yellow fur and black spots, was one of the few predators capable of confronting the black caiman. It moved slowly, each step light, its sharp eyes focused on its target. The leopard continued to close the distance, using the trees and bushes to hide its presence. It knew that with just one wrong move, the crocodile would sense danger and dive into the water. When it was only about 10 meters away from its target, the leopard stopped, lowering its body close to the ground. Its sharp eyes seemed to be measuring every move of its prey. Although it is the most fearsome predator in the Amazon waters, the black caiman cannot avoid the fate of becoming prey to apex predators like the jaguar. This is the harsh law of nature, where life and death always go hand in hand. Not only are they apex predators, black caimans also play an important role in maintaining the balance of the Amazonian ecosystem. Black caimans are apex predators, helping to control the number of herbivores such as fish, waterfowl, and even other reptiles. By keeping prey populations from growing too large, they contribute to maintaining the stability of the food chain. The waters occupied by black caimans often become safe havens for a variety of other creatures, from small fish to birds. When they die, black caimans become a source of nutrition for other animals, from piranhas to aquatic microorganisms. Black caimans don't just hunt for food to survive, they also help maintain the delicate balance of the Amazon. They are an indispensable link in this complex ecosystem. The black caiman, a symbol of power and dominance, is a testament to the magic of nature. They are not only fearsome predators, but also important factors in maintaining the balance of the Amazon. But even the rulers are facing challenges. Human encroachment and climate change are threatening their habitat. To keep these powerful shadows gliding across the water, we need to take action to protect the Amazon. Praying mantis, nature's ruthless killer. Amidst the lush green fields, on the dry branches, or right in your garden, a ruthless killer is quietly hiding. That is the praying mantis. A predator with an elegant appearance but carrying within it an uncompromising killing instinct. With its front legs as sharp as a scythe, its multi-dimensional eyes that can observe every tiny movement, and its superb camouflage ability, the praying mantis not only hunts for survival, but also turns this into a perfect performance. But to survive in the harsh world of nature, this killer must also face tough challenges, sometimes from larger predators. Praying mantises are not only notable for their unique appearance, but also for their ability to hide, making them masters in the world of hunting. With their long, spiky front legs, the praying mantis is a precise and ruthless predator. Their long, slender bodies, with colors ranging from green, brown to gray, help them blend perfectly into their environment. These legs are not only for attack, but also effective defense when needed. The most special feature of mantises is their large, bulging eyes, which can rotate independently and provide a panoramic view. These eyes help them track prey from a distance and analyze movements in detail, ensuring an absolutely precise pounce. Mantises can stand still for hours, blending into leaves, branches, or even flowers. Some species, such as the orchid mantis, look exactly like flowers, leaving their prey never suspecting that death is near. When a fly, butterfly, or grasshopper carelessly enters the range, the mantis instantly transforms from a motionless creature into a swift killer. Mantises choose their ambush site carefully, perhaps on a green leaf or a dry branch. It is completely motionless, leaving its prey unaware of the danger. When its prey is within range, the mantis strikes in less than 0.05 seconds. Its sharp front legs close like a steel trap, pinning its victim. With each pounce, the mantis never misses. The mantis bites into the head or neck of its prey, disabling its nerves before slowly tearing the victim apart. This action is both cruel and effective, ensuring optimal nutrition. But the mantis is not always the dominant one. In nature, predators sometimes become prey. And one of the mantis's most dangerous opponents is the lizard. On a low tree branch, a mantis stands still, waiting for its prey. But from a distance, a lizard has spotted it. With sharp eyes, the lizard moves slowly, its tongue hanging out as if sensing the mantis's every breath. The mantis quickly recognizes the presence of its enemy. Instead of running away, it prepared for a merciless fight. Its sharp front legs were raised, its body slightly leaning back, ready for an attack. The the lizard suddenly rushed forward, opening its jaws to bite the mantis's body. But just before the bite could reach, the mantis swung its front legs like blades, hitting straight at the attacker's head. The lizard was deterred, but did not give up. It changed direction, trying to attack from the side. The mantis, with its quick reflexes, continued to dodge and launch sharp counterattacks. Small sounds rang out, like a symphony of survival between the two predators. The fight lasted only a few seconds, but was dramatic. With the final attack, the mantis used all the strength of its front legs, pinning the lizard's jaw, forcing the enemy to lose. Although it was an effective killer, the mantis had a violent reproductive instinct. When a male mantis approaches a female, he must be extremely cautious. The female is larger and stronger and is often prone to attacking her mate. In many cases, the female eats the male during mating, providing the necessary nutrients to produce healthy eggs. After mating, the female mantis lays her eggs in special egg sacs called ootheca. Each egg sac contains 100 to 200 eggs, but only a small fraction of them survive after hatching. Mantises, though small, are the embodiment of perfection in the art of hunting and fighting. They are not only ruthless predators, but also true survival warriors, ready to face any challenge to protect themselves. In the wild, every pounce, every battle of the mantis is a testament to the power of nature, where beauty and cruelty always blend perfectly.